Welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. So today was a rainy day. It was also a chill day. It was also a day to do a few things and finish this book. Alright, Diary of a Femme by Nevin Govinden. Unfortunately, I don't think this was my kind of book. I felt like if this was like a movie, I would watch it because I like that kind of setup of how the story started. It's really about a filmmaker who's queer and he's in Italy, not really wanting to be there, but he's there to promote his latest film for a festival that he's won in the past. So he has a name. And while he's there, he meets a woman, a much older woman who intrigues him. And she's telling her story, but she's also, in a way, provoking his thoughts on certain things. So this book really covers who should be making or who should be telling someone's story. And as someone in this, the character who is a filmmaker that questions his ability to actually tell stories. There's one particular thing that happened where there was a story told from a book and not necessarily permission, I guess you would say. So this woman now has her book. She's an artist, writer. She has this passion and she talks about someone who she was with and what intrigues her. And he, I guess you would say, as a story, this is, of course, there's that question mark of whether or not her book should be told, the story in her book should be told, that kind of deal. There's some things about this that was like puzzling to me where I just didn't get it. There's things about it even towards the end where it becomes still like, it's like I wrote something and I'm going to find a way to see if you were the right person to tell my story. But it's done in a way where I'm like, it didn't do anything for me. I think the potential was there and I see where the story was going, but for me it just didn't grab me. I find at times I was just not interested. I was just ready for the book to be over with, and the way it built up, I thought something else was gonna be happening. I didn't realize this is really what the story is about. I think people who are into films and who are into the behind the scene kind of thing, screenwriting, stuff like that, I think this book might grab them more so than me, that is that side of that theater world, I guess you would say. It doesn't grab me in this book, and it's not my kind of thing. So this is a subscriber pick. I think I know why. I want to say it's this. I think because of certain things in this book, they thought that I would gravitate to it and really appreciate it, and I really wanted to, but I find that it just did not grab me. It really lost me, and I hang in there because it was going downhill after about 80 pages. It was just like, yeah, I mean, at one point I was falling asleep because I was bored, and that's the best way to put it. It bored me, I'm sorry. And this was book number 11. It was going so well, and now we got a womp womp. I'm sorry. I forgot who recommended this one, but it didn't grab me, and I got lost somewhere along in the storyline where yeah. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna power up my tablet. I also have my Kindle, so I don't know, power one of them, and gonna read, continue reading for the rest of the night. Again, it's not even that late, but this weather sucks. And yeah, I've been really enjoying this, and I need to finish some more stuff to add to the daily ones for this. So I'm loving this, and it's so easy. I mean, this traveling with both of these are like a gem. And I need to fill out the back. I haven't done that yet. So all right guys, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is a long day for me. Gotta go to the dentist. And yeah, not my thing, but my dentist is very cute, very. So that's what makes it a little bit more okay. But anyway, all right guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.